If Telegram desktop is stuck on connecting, freezing on a loading screen, or failing to load messages, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick fixes that can help get it working again. We'll cover VPN and proxy settings, flushing your DNS cache, and clearing Telegram's local cache. These are simple steps, but they often solve connection problems surprisingly fast. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, let's check your VPN and proxy settings. If your internet provider or local network is restricting Telegram, that can cause connection issues right away. Start by toggling your VPN on or off, depending on your current setup. If you already use a VPN and Telegram is not connecting, try turning it off for a moment and test again. If you are not using a VPN and Telegram is blocked on your network, turn one on and see if the app connects properly. Now open Telegram desktop. At the top left, click the menu, then go to Settings. From there, open Advanced and look for connection type. This is where you can test different proxy or connection options. If you have a proxy configured, try switching it, disabling it, or testing another one. If you don't normally use a proxy, make sure nothing is incorrectly enabled here. A bad proxy or unstable connection route can stop Telegram from connecting, so testing this setting is an important first step. Next, let's flush your DNS cache. Sometimes your computer stores old or broken internet address data, and that can interfere with Telegram's connection to its servers. To do this on Windows, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and open it as administrator if possible. In the command window, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. This clears outdated IP pathways and gives your system a fresh start when resolving network addresses. After that, restart Telegram desktop and check if the connecting issue is gone. In many cases, that alone can fix the problem. If Telegram still won't connect, the next step is to clear the local cache inside the app. Over time, cached files can become corrupted or outdated, and that may cause Telegram to behave strangely or get stuck while loading. To clear the cache, go back into Telegram desktop and open Settings again. Then go to Advanced and find Manage Local Storage. Inside this section, you'll usually see options related to cached files, downloaded media, and storage usage. Choose the option to clear the cache. If Telegram gives you different cache categories, you can clear the relevant local data to free up space and remove possible corrupted files. Don't worry, clearing the cache does not delete your account or your chats from Telegram's servers. It only removes temporary files stored on your device. Once that's done, fully close Telegram desktop and reopen it. Let it reconnect and give it a moment to refresh everything. In many cases, one of these 3 fixes will solve the issue immediately. If Telegram is still connecting, you can repeat the steps carefully, especially the proxy check and the DNS flush, because those 2 are the most common network-related causes. So to quickly recap, first toggle your VPN or proxy settings and test different connection types in Telegram desktop. Second, flush your DNS cache using ipconfig flush DNS. Third, clear Telegram's local cache through Settings, Advanced and Manage Local Storage. These steps work together to fix common connection problems and get Telegram desktop back online. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.